Hey, nous dans Jacksonville, on se regarde MASWIFE, comment ça fait?
Bon, et d'abord, son un bel travail qui fait. Et tant pour j'aime de dire en pile monde qui peut courir film ça, qui peut courir MASWIFE, m'a souhaité y a l'ouel. Et si on va une première, bah well possible d'avoir deuxième. Parce que c'est première pour permettre tout capable de comprendre deuxième.
Comment on relève?
C'est Max Sony.
Eh bien, ok, je connais. Mais quand même, merci pour ce que tu as dit. Ok?
D'accord.
Rendez-vous à ton opinion pour qu'avoir la
Okay.
How are you there?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
My name is Emmanuel,
Emmanuel.
and that's my wife, Whitley.
Wow, thanks for coming, guys.
You're
so,
welcome.
I would like to have your opinion. Okay, we are in Jacksonville.
We're in Jacksonville.
Okay, so, just your impression.
So about the movie, that was a very great movie. I cannot wait for the second season. I believe that there's a lot to learn from the movie, actually, in life lesson to learn. I can say that if you're wise, if you understand exactly what's going on in the movie, you can learn from the people, from the characters of the movie.
Okay, what's the name of the movie?
MASWIFE, of course, of course.
You said it right. So what's your name?
Whitley, I really enjoyed being here, and it was a great entertainment for me.
Okay.
Yes.
But thanks for coming.
Yes.
Okay?
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
You are welcome.